Okay, here we are. We're going to get into grammar and we're going to be on page 31. So let me share that. There we go. 31. Homophones. Have you guys ever heard that word homophone before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's got two parts to the word. The first part says homo. That means same, right? And then phone is sound. So when you see the word homophone, it means same sound. Okay. So these words sound the same,
This is
but they are spelled a little bit different. Okay, that looks like a slinky.
Wait, what?
That's pretty cool. They're post-it notes. Okay, but let's put the slinky away for now.
That
Page 31 is where we are, guys.
31?
Uh-oh,
No.
now you got problems. 31. So we're talking about the word there.
31.
No, just 31, not 131. We're talking about the word there. Do you see it at the end of that paragraph? It says there, and there. You guys see where that's at on yours? So they all sound the same. There, and there. There, right? But they're spelled differently and they mean different things. And that's what we're going to talk about. That's called a homophone when they sound the same, but they're spelled different and they mean different things. Okay, stay on this page. There. There is an adverb pointing to a place. And the way I remember that one is if I cover up the T, it says here. Did you guys notice that? And that helps me remember that's a place over there. Okay. The word is there and it just helps me spell it because I struggle with spelling, you know. So that might help you if you think of, oh, wait, if I see here, okay, that's here or there, that's a place, right? So that's an adverb, like there is the spot. This one there is THEIR, and that is a possessive pronoun. Their gifts, the gifts belong to them. Their gifts, EIR. Okay, and that one you're just gonna have to memorize.
Their gifts.
There you go. Oh, I said it again. And then there, TH, you're making an earthquake, so I know you're cold, but yeah, there you go. There, THEY apostrophe RE is a contraction. It has the apostrophe. That makes it easy, right? They're kind or they are kind. Get it? So those are the three different theirs. Guess what? In this book, they're going to mess up on purpose just for you guys. So you have to figure out the right spelling. Okay, they're going to use the wrong there, and then you got to figure out the right way. So look at the example here. The soldiers were happy with their gifts. They originally had THERE, which is like over there, right? So we need to change it to EIR because the gifts belong to them. Right? Any questions about that? Okay, and Elizabeth, go ahead and put the post-its away for now, okay? We're going to go on to the practice page, which is 33. Here we are, 33. Anybody feel like reading the sentence today? Go ahead, Sienna.
They agreed to use their gifts and travel together around.
Nice. Okay, travel. That's pretty easy. That's just like going from one place to another place, right? Moving from one place to another. All right, that's vocabulary. We can check that off. One article. We're on page 33. Go ahead and find the article.
Wrong there.
Oh, he already found it. What should it be, Jason?
IER, I think.
Their gifts is actually EI, right? EIR? Yeah, EIR. TH. You were right, but you had the letter backwards. Very good. He picked that up quick. All right. Did you guys find the article too already?
Yeah.
And then there's two nouns. Who wants to tell me where the nouns are?
Traveler.
Traveler is one.
World.
Oh, wait. I put it, this is not traveler, it says
That's
travel.
travel.
You messed me up. I totally, I was like, yeah, that's it. No, it's not.
Whoops. No.
World and gift. If you wrote in pen, just cross it out. It's okay. No problem. Don't scribble it. Just.
So it's gift?
It's gifts and world, not travel, because that's actually a verb. That's an action. When she said traveler, I was like, well, yeah, traveler is a noun, but that's not what it says. That's all right, Sienna. It happens to me all the time. Okay. Check. Two pronouns. Who wants to find?
Together be a pronoun?
Not together. No. Think of
They.
more than one. What do you think? They is a pronoun.
Yeah. Together?
Actually, it's whose gifts are they? The gifts belong to them, so it's their gifts. That's also a pronoun. So, yeah,
Whoa.
there you go. That's it. Capital, we know that. Right there. And mark, we know that. Period. And then we already fixed the homophone, which was there. Wasn't so bad. And then you can finish writing that sentence out later for your homework. Here's my eraser. Got it? Everybody got it? All right, let's go ahead and put that away then. That was quick, painless, right? Maybe a little pain, not bad. Jason's having more pain over here. It's gonna be okay, I promise.
I bet you won't be able to go to Brady and Brantley.
The fox and the stork. Did you guys have fun writing that one?
Yeah.
That was a pretty.
No.
No.
I was way too busy.
Cool.
Way too busy.
Yes.
Where do you put your finished work?
Great question. So I want you to get a second binder or folder. So you see how Ashlyn has one right here, this plain white folder. That's where she's putting all of hers. Yeah, so it goes right in there. And you can open up the rings and stick it in there. That'll be where you collect all your finished stuff. Okay. Or a folder like Lainey's. I like those too. Those are cool.
They divide them up also.
Yep. And it's cute.
And camels.
Well, before we get that out though, hold on, don't get out the next lesson yet. Two people can share their paragraph if you want.
Right?
I know you guys have already done it before, but does anybody new want to read their paragraph today? No, nobody's jumping up and down. All right, except for Jason. How about, okay, so Sienna and Jason, you guys can read your paragraph. One thing I want to do though is remind you, when you write your stories, you're gonna write a sentence and use a period at the end of your sentence, but you guys listen really quick. Keep going after the period. So it's in a paragraph form. You don't want to just do sentence, 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 sentence. You want to do like sentence, the next sentence, and then it continues. And then the next sentence starts here going. After the period, keep going. Does that make sense? So it's in a paragraph form.
You're out of paper.
Until you're out of paper. And you can turn it over to the back side if you need to. And you can even use another piece of paper if you need to. Your stories are going to get longer. You might, and that's okay. Keep going. All right, it looks like Jason's ready. So go ahead and stand up under the flag. Jason's going to read his. And you guys were supposed to have an ly adverb in there, right? An ly. So listen for the ly adverb in his story. And tell us the title first. So go for it whenever you're ready.
Fox's mistake.
Fox's mistake. I like it.
A fox invited a stork to dinner and the fox served soup. The fox easily ate the soup while the stork had a long beak and could not eat out of the tiny bowl and left hungry. A few days later, the stork invited the fox for dinner. The stork served mincemeat in a tall jar. The stork easily ate while the fox could only lick the top rim. The fox went home disappointed and hungry. Then the fox realized that he received what he deserved.
Nice. Very good. Let's clap for him, everybody. There you go. Very nice, very nice. What were you saying?
Easily.
Easily, yes, nice. A Y word.
Another easily. There is.
Two easily?
Yes. No, I don't think there is. Yeah. There is? Yeah. Oh yeah, there is.
Nice.
Easily.
There you go. Good job. B5. So, and underlining one is right, because I only want you to pick one to underline, but you can have more than one. A Y word.
To like read it and then look up. Do it.
You have to have your paper down, and so the rule is on the stories, maybe like one time look up. You don't have to look up after each sentence, but kind of like in the middle of your story, kind of look up. And yeah, but make sure you don't cover your face, but yeah, exactly.
don't have it.
Well, you do. It's good because then that helps us feel like, you're paying attention to us too, and then you can see that we're looking at you. So it is in public speaking, it's good to make that eye contact every once in a while.
This is not going to know.
Oh, hold on, before you start, we got a hand up here, and then I'll hear yours too.
Can I move on to?
Yes, you can.
What if you're reading? Like reading a book?
It's good to look up every once in a while. Every once in a while. You don't have to look up every sentence, but like, after a few minutes, look up or look back down. That's a skill you'll learn to keep track of where you're at. That's the hard thing. If you're reading and you look up, then you look back and you're like, wait, what was I? So it's hard you got to kind of get used to that. You'll remember the word you're on and know where it's at on the page. Yeah.
Please also tell.
You know what? We don't have time for 4. But can you do it next week though? Remind me, okay? All right. Okay, go ahead, Sienna.
The fox and the stork. The fox invited the stork to dinner. Wait, the fox served the soup in a shallow bowl. Yes.
That's good. No, you got it.
While the fox ate easily, the stork's bill was too long, so the stork left hungry. Later, the stork invited the fox for a meal. He served mincemeat in a thin, long jug. This time, the stork easily ate, but the fox could only lick the rim. Thus left disappointed and very hungry. Then he realized that he received what he deserved, bad treatment to the stork.
Nice. Very good. All right, guys, clap. Everybody's got to clap. There we go. Got to have a room full of clapping. Very nice. I like
I
that.
found it. It was easy.
Did you hear it?
Easily.
Easily again. That's a good one though. I like it. Okay.
She
Elizabeth.
underlined it.
She what?
She underlined it.
Oh, good. That's right. One more. Oh, what was your title? Did you tell us your title?
Yeah, the fox.
The Fox and the Stork? Okay.
Or was that the real?
That's the original title. So remember the title rule. Look at your last sentence. It's okay. See if you can come up with a new title while you listen to hers. Look at your last sentence and you can pick 1 or 2 or 3 words from your last sentence and make a new title. Okay, see if you can come up with one.
The rude host. Once there was a fox that invited a stork to his house, but the fox did not treat him well. The fox served him soup in a small bowl, and the stork could not fit his long lean boot in the shallow bowl. The stork was mad and he went home. Later, the stork invited the fox to his house for dinner to have mincemeat. The mincemeat was served in a tall jar that the fox could not eat out of. The fox was disappointed and he walked home, and he wanted to eat. Finally, he thought that he had treated the stork the same way, and he sadly drooped his head and kept walking and forgot his name.
Nice. Very good. Let's clap. It wasn't the rude hoax. Is that what you called it? The rude host. Yes, that's a good title. I like that.
Sadly.
Oh, yeah, I heard sadly. I heard finally too.
Yeah.
Those are good. Did you come up with a new title? Not yet. You forgot? Okay, don't worry about it. You can tell me later. All right, we are done with the Fox and the Stork. Get out your binder, please. And we're gonna put away the Fox and the Stork. These pages can go in your finished folder, whatever extra folder you have today. You can put away the keyword outline when you need to get your binder out. Yeah. Put away your outline, put away your paragraph and the original and all of that goes away now. And we're going to move on to the next lesson. Another story.
Scary.
Actually, and this time we're going to write about a real animal, camels this time. Camels. Yeah, camels are cool. So you're going to get out 4 pages. This is week 5. Okay. So go ahead and get out week 5. and a piece of lined paper, okay? And put all that in front of you, just one, yeah. Right after source text tab, right there.
Wait, so what
Yep.
do we need?
We need week 5. Oh, go ahead and put it away and then I'll show you what you need. And then you can clean everything up, so all you have in front of you is the 4 pages for week 5 and your lined paper. So you're gonna get out this 5 pages right there, or 4 pages, sorry, not 5. You can take them out of your binder and then that way you can move your stuff forward, you know, up here, so it's out of the way.
Is it?
No, it should be right after that tab. There it is. Week 5. There's 4 pages you're gonna take out, yep.
Oh, Campbell's juice.
Whoa. Yep,
There's no page.
yep,
Oh, fun.
yes, you got it. And a piece of lined paper, and then you can close your rings and put your binder away somewhere, either on the floor or push it forward on your table. Yeah, that one too. We're gonna get your lined paper ready first, so put that on top. It's actually gonna be right here, Quinn. So right after this tab that says source text. Oops, that has the box in the story. Hold on, that is.
It does. No. No.
Do you have another binder maybe today or just?
Camel's eyes. Look at me.
Oh, good. This can go inside. Yeah. Just one piece of lined paper today.
Wait, one piece?
Oh, no, yes.
Yeah, I thought you said 4 pieces of paper.
No, four pages of week 5 and just one piece of lined paper.
Wait, 4 pages of paper. Can I see?
Yes.
This little guy.
That little guy. And you need a piece of lined paper.
Oh, we need Joey pizza.
Okay.
You like your pizza, man. May I take that?
No. You know, I have a goat named Uno. No, because our goats, our mama goat, she was pregnant when she had her babies. We thought she was gonna have like 2 or 3, because normally she has 3 babies. They have triplets. And then she gave birth to 1, and then we're waiting and waiting. We're like, there's gotta be more in there. And we're waiting and nothing else came. And then, you know how, I don't know if you guys have ever seen animals give birth before. I don't want to go too much detail, but that was it. Anyway, she just had the 1.
Actually, 2.
And it's a little boy, and we decided to name him Uno. So that's our goat's name, Uno, because he's the only one. We're like, I thought he was gonna have brothers and sisters. Where are they? All right. On this page, we're gonna start with the line page. So go ahead and put that on top of your stack. So move your binder out of the way so you have room on your table. You can
really have a stack.
Yeah, well, you can put it in a stack. And your name, like we always do, goes here. Your first and last name, put it right there. Yes.
Left side.
What is what on the left side?
What happens if you're right on it?
There you go. It was upside down. And then today's date is 10/13/25. So go ahead and write that down. Put your name. Oops, turn your page over. And on this keyword outline, you can use a pen or a pencil. It doesn't matter to me. But when you guys write your paragraph, don't forget you need to use pen.
Unless we type it.
Unless you type it, exactly. Skip a line, and this is going to be called camels. Skip a line, put camels in the middle. And then I want you to put KWO. Now, don't freak out on me, okay? You're going to write 2 paragraphs this week. Good job. Nobody freaked out. That's good. So you guys have been doing 1 paragraph. But this week now we're moving on to 2. So I gotta tell you something. Have you ever heard of Roman numerals? Yes. You should know those from math, right?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What does a Roman numeral 1 look like? What does it look like? Like a capital I, right? It's actually, yeah, it has a top and a bottom. So it looks like a capital I. So what I want you to do is after, by the way, what is KWO again? Good, you got that. Skip the line. Over here, we're gonna do a Roman numeral 1 like that. It looks like an I, capital I. Well, good question. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy does it, man. I don't want that. Okay, whoa, come on. There we go. Okay, there we go. We are going to use Roman numerals because that's going to tell us when a paragraph begins and when it ends. Because up until now, we've only written 1 paragraph at a time. Now we have 2. So we're going to use a Roman numeral 1 and a Roman numeral 2 to help us know when the paragraph begins and when it ends. So hold on, under Roman numeral 1, I want you to move over a little bit, leave a little space like that. And now we're going to write regular numbers all the way to 9, like this. 6. Try to keep it nice and neat, okay? Try to keep all your numbers lined up. You guys see that okay? I'm trying to get this to be brighter, but it does not want to be. Oh, that's a little better.
You said up to 9.
Up to 9. So Roman numeral 1, and then under that, we have 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay, once you got that, skip a line. Did it break or did it just come apart? Oh, it's the lid. It was the look on her face. She's like, skip a space under 9, and now we're going to do a Roman numeral 2, and that looks like that. It's like 2 lines down and then a top and bottom. That's a Roman numeral 2.
It's like a
this. Okay. Or 2 eyes stuck together, right? Yeah, a little thicker, maybe.
Or
Are you having pencil problems over there? So you're gonna skip the line, Roman numeral 1. Can you see it okay? Roman numeral 1, 1 through 9. Now we've got a Roman numeral 2. Guess what this is going to be for the second paragraph, because that's Roman numeral 2. And this time we're going to do 1 through 9 again. So move over a little bit. This is going to be a long one, you guys, but you can handle it because you know what you're doing now. 6, 7, 9.
what do you mean 6, 7? I don't know. It's
Oh, and I said it and I didn't even mean to.
No, Logan realized it.
I know.
You never know. Because we sound just alike.
I'm just saying the number 6 and 7, guys.
6? My friends just shut their mouths about. Everyone.
Okay, we got to focus on this now. We are still looking at, you guys listening? Every sentence of this paper. Now, this is not a story. This is called an article. And not like an article A, and the, like we do in grammar, a different article. This is like a magazine article or a newspaper article. It's a short writing that has facts in it. These are real facts about camels. It's not a camel that's going to talk and cook dinner and do weird stuff like that. It's a camel that's being a camel. Okay, so we're going to learn about different types of camels. And notice that this is 2 paragraphs long. So let's look at the actual article here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Did you have a question, Eli? No?
Well, I just wanted to say something. So
Okay.
it's technically just 1 page, but it's 2.
Yeah.
Technically 2. It's 2 together.
It's like 1 page, but it's 2 paragraphs.
2 different things. Like
Oh.
big one and then okay. This isn't as
No,
bad.
it's not too bad.
I'm sorry.
You're good. Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you're not going to die. Nobody's dying today.
I
Yes.
want to read it. There's no pictures.
No, I don't think so.
You get
Here's the passage or the article about camels, and you can see that the paragraph starts here. In the okay, I got to explain paragraphs to you. So in this binder, the people who made this binder, there's 2 different styles of writing paragraphs. They did not indent the first paragraph. Did you guys notice that?
That's weird.
It's weird to me too. I wish they would have, because in my mind, in my opinion, every paragraph should indent, okay? But look at the next one where it says humans. See how it's indented right there? You can tell that's the next paragraph. So that's gonna be Roman numeral 2. This one's gonna be Roman numeral 1. And the very, very first sentence of the paragraph goes next to the Roman numeral. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is just read this article, and then we're gonna find those keywords and start building your keyword outline, just like we've been doing.
How far are we gonna go to?
Let's read the whole thing, and then we'll see how far we get as far as our outline.
Are we gonna start the writing again?
Oops, probably not in class today. You'll probably do the writing part at home, at your homework. All right, so it says, it's okay, you guys got this. Camels. There are, and go ahead and follow on your paper while I read. You guys follow along. There are 3 types of camels. The most common, just read in your head while I read, okay? The most common is the one-hump Arabian camel, also called the dromedary. The dromedary has been domesticated for thousands of years. Do you guys know what domesticated means?
Yes.
It means they're trained. They're not wild. Like, you know how you can train your dog to walk with you and be nice to people and stuff like that. So basically they've trained these camels to be kind and nice. They're not gonna kick or attack. Okay. It is found in northern Africa, throughout the Middle East, and in parts of Australia. A second species is the Bactrian camel. It has 2 humps on its back. Also domesticated, it is found mainly in the rocky deserts of Central and East Asia. The third species is the wild Bactrian camel. It lives in remote regions of the Gobi Desert. Only about 1,000 wild Bactrian camels remain, and they are considered critically endangered. Have you ever heard of endangered before?
Yeah.
Do you know what that means? Do you remember?
This is that they're endangered, but like where there's not that many of them.
There's not that many left.
Yeah.
They might die out. Do you know what the word is if they do die out?
Extinct.
Yeah, there you go. You guys got it. So if it's critically endangered, it means it's almost extinct. Okay, that's the wild Bactrian. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Humans have used camels for millennia. By the way, that word millennia means thousands of years, not million, but thousands of years. Okay. They have mainly been trained as pack animals, but also for racing and warfare. Okay, do you know what pack animals means?
Like they're together.
Kind of, but actually it's something else.
Like for traveling.
Yes, what do they do with your stuff?
They will like carry them.
Carry your stuff like a backpack, but on the camel. So you put all your dishes in your bed, your roll, your bedroll. Like if you're traveling through the desert and camping, you know, you put all your stuff on the camel, and then like your sleeping bag.
I'm a big.
You guys listening?
No.
No, that would probably not work on a camel. But they'll carry your food, they'll carry your supplies, and they're strong, so they can carry a lot. Yes. Exactly, and they tie them together. You've probably seen that in movies before, where they just kind of walk along. They're fine. They don't mind carrying stuff. No. Okay, here and then racing. You know, there are camel races, which is kind of fun to watch. And then warfare, just meaning they carry like the ammo and supplies they need for war. So that's also what they do. All right. They can be taught to pull plows and carts. Camel milk is highly nutritious. In parts of Africa, camel urine is thought to be medicinal. Okay, we all know what urine is, right? It's our pee. And they used to think it was used for medicine. Oh, thank you. No, thank you. I'll pass. I'm really sick. I'll just deal with it. In many Middle Eastern countries, oh, here we go, guys. Camel meat is served at feasts. Has anybody had camel meat in here?
I'd rather have camel meat than.
Well, if I had to choose, that's true. Nomads. Do you guys know what a nomad is? You heard that one before?
Heard of it.
Okay.
Nomad.
Nomad. It's like people who travel who don't have a home and they just travel. And then their home is what they carry with them. And then they put a tent up and
Where no man's land comes from sometimes.
maybe, but that's no man,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, that's a little bit different. But maybe because nomad is like you're just wandering and through the desert and you don't have a home. Yeah, you just keep. Or another term is gypsy. I don't know if you've ever heard of that word before. Yeah, where you just travel and you just keep walking and traveling, and then you get tired and you stop and you put up your tent or whatever you're sleeping in, and you sleep, take a nap, eat, put everything back on your camel and keep going. I mean, that's a hard life. I wouldn't want to live like that, but that's how nomads live. Okay. All right. This is gonna get grosser.
Don't
just
read it.
for warning you. Nomads in northern Africa may drink camel blood mixed with camel milk
No.
to sustain them on long desert journeys.
So
Camel hair is light and strong, thus it is useful for clothes, blankets, tents, and rugs. In Arab cultures, the camel symbolizes endurance and patience. Okay, let me just explain. I know, no barfing in here. The blood, okay, is actually, it has a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it. So just think about this, because they can't carry a refrigerator with them, right? They can't bring fresh meat and they can't bring like fruits and vegetables and supplies like that.
Beef jerky.
They're going in between, that's true, but they're going in between towns and it might be days before they get to another town. But they could only drink milk, but that's not enough to give them energy. Like they need iron and protein and you know how it is, those of you who work out or are in sports, when you get ready to play soccer, your parents or your coach is like, did you eat a good breakfast? Did you fill up? Because if you don't, you get tired and then you're just like,
They make you laugh.
So it's important to have protein. That's what they did. They drank the camel's blood.
And then you just fall down the disgust if you don't drink it.
All right.
My coach never says that. I think I was
Well, hopefully your coach doesn't say to drink blood.
No,
So,
you never asked how to see a camel.
Oh.
Like he's always focused on doing news too. So.
Oh.
And that's what
Well, your parents are probably making sure you eat good though, because you need to have a good. All right, let's go look at the first sentence, and we're going to do the sentence by sentence here. There are 3 types of camels. Wow, that's an easy one. Who wants to do that?
Just race.
How about I start with Sienna and we'll just go around the room. It's a glare. Let's see if I can fix that. Well, I'm going to start up here anyway. What are the key words in the first sentence? Camels, types,
3
3.
types of camels.
That was easy. Let's put it on our outline. 3. We could do the number 3 even, but we can write the word 2 either way.
Then we could do some types of
No. Okay. Well, we don't need of though, because that's not really a keyword. But look at, we're gonna put this next to Roman numeral 1, because this is the first sentence. So 3, yeah, if you messed up, draw a line through it. 3 types camels. If you have a pencil, it's okay to erase it. It needs to go to next to Roman numeral 1. Make sure you do that. Don't go to a regular 1 yet. The Roman numerals are going to represent the first sentence
in a paragraph
of the paragraph. It's also called the topic sentence.
The topic
of the paragraph. It's telling what the paragraph is going to be about.
You could also just do a C for the paragraph.
We totally could. And we might need that later. We might need that later. All right, so Elizabeth, how about the next one? What are the keywords? Common. Okay.
Most common.
Probably don't need most. I like common. Yeah.
Camel.
Yeah. Dromedary. I think like this one hump. You guys know what that means, one hump? You've seen camels before, right?
Yeah, I think so. What do you call them? Hump camel.
Wait, what?
Pregnant.
Oh.
It's a very weird joke that I don't understand.
I was like, I don't know. But you're right, on their back, obviously they carry their babies in the front, but on the back, they have a hump, right? But sometimes they have two humps.
Yeah.
These are, yeah, okay. All right, so how can we put this one in our keyword outline? What do you think, Elizabeth?
Is one hump is one word?
Yeah, we can count that as one because it has a dash.
So common
Okay,
and one hump.
okay.
Hmm.
That's a tough one, huh? But we want Arabian, that's gonna be super important, and dromedary too. Can we draw something?
Yeah, what if you draw it one camel?
You like that idea? Sienna, do you have an idea?
Yeah. We could do common and then just do a one for one hump.
Yeah,
And we could draw.
a hump. I like that. You like that idea, Elizabeth?
Mm-hmm.
So we could do common and the number one, and then we're gonna draw a hump. Or if you want to draw the whole camel.
And then just circle the hump.
Arabian, and then we're gonna put dromedary. I think those words are really important. Dromedary.
So Arabian and then do like a C, like circle and do C.
Oh yeah, you could do that too. You could put a C after it for camel. She's thinking like this.
Yeah.
And then we circle that too. Yep, that'll work. That's a good idea. Okay, and then Lainey, when you're ready, go ahead. You can finish what you're working on and then read the next, or tell us the keywords in the next sentence. I'm gonna put it down here so you can see both here. Whoops. Right. Anyways,
You're like, you get a
go ahead, Lainey. What are the keywords? Dromedary,
Domesticated.
domesticated, yeah.
1,000 years.
Thousands and years. Oh, okay. I have it right here if you need it. So how are we gonna put that on the outline?
I don't need we already have it.
Okay, that's a good point. She just said maybe we don't need dromedary because we just wrote it, so I agree with that. So what can we do next? You can keep it underlined. You don't have to erase that part.
Rest.
Yeah, just leave it on there. I'm leaving my stuff that I underlined.
Just do the rest.
Domesticated. Oh yeah, thousands and years. Yeah, that's the easy one. Okay. Domesticated. Thousands and years.
It sounds like someone who doesn't speak the best English. Because sometimes they don't say everything.
Oh, true. True.
Like the Indians, like me, do that.
Yeah, that's true. And then Ashlyn, when you're ready, tell us the next sentence. What are the keywords? There's a lot of them in this one.
It is found in northern.
Wait, just tell us the keywords. Northern. Found. Good. Africa.
Wait,
Oh, it's throughout. I don't know if we need that one.
Middle.
Yes, I know we need that.
Australia.
Yep. So this is gonna be hard because
Here's a lot.
yeah, that's a lot. But we might have to abbreviate some of those things.
Like Wait, how do you do Australia? Australia. Is that AUS or something?
Or yeah,
Or Aussie that.
or Augie.
Aussie.
Aussie. What do you think? Should we put found?
That's one of my cousin's name. Found Northern Middle East.
Northern Africa. We could do for northern, we could do in. Yeah, let's
But
put,
how would
I think
we
we
know
need found
something?
though. We need found.
We
And
can
then maybe-
found Northern Middle East in Australia, but with the abbreviation.
Northern, oh, not, it's not northern Middle East though, it's northern Africa.
That's true.
Maybe we do Africa. Bless you.
Bless you.
And then what if we do, we got room for one more word, but we can abbreviate. We could do like Mid-East.
But how do we know the end? Yeah, Mid-East.
Mid-East. If you forget what N stands for, you can always look back on the original and be like, oh yeah, what was N? Oh yeah, Northern. Okay. Mid-East, and then we could just do Aus.
What's
Aus. Australia. Yeah, so like I said, when you're writing this paragraph, if you're trying to remember what that was, you can look back at the original. You're not just, I just don't want you to copy the original, but you can check. You could do that. You could do that. A compass. That was a good idea. I didn't even think about that. I forgot to circle the ones we used. And
Yeah, I did that.
you did? Okay, good. Make sure you circle the words you use just to keep track. Common, Arabian, dromedary, cousins, ears.
We knew
the
last ones.
I'm only circling the words,
Whoops.
but that's okay if you did others too.
Circled all of them. I have a quick question.
Yes.
I meant to ask my mom this, but how long is the class?
1 hour.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Okay. So now we're on to Logan.
Oh no.
Next sentence.
Yes, look at it. Second species.
Second species,
Bacterian.
Bactrian camel. Yeah. Oh, that's not too bad. That's pretty easy. Because we probably don't need camel, right?
We could do the sea thingy for the camel.
Oh, we could. The sea thingy. What do you think,
Second
Logan?
species, bacterian, and then we do the sea thing.
There we go. I like it. Second species.
Second.
Bactrian is how you say that one. Bactrian
And we could do like a
and a C. Mm-hmm. Oops, you're skipping by accident. It should be 1 and then 2. Oops. See how I'm on 1 and then 2, 3, 4. So you want to make sure to keep them. I see, because you were skipping lines. That's why. Can you copy that?
Yeah.
On number 2. Can you see the screen okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Why is
It's
it
kind of
dark
dark.
though?
I don't know. Let me see if I can move my light this way. Oh, that's a little better.
Well, that's way too bright.
Too bright.
I could use the white one.
This one?
Yeah. No.
It doesn't have a light on it. That's why I brought this light, because I thought maybe that'll help, but then it has a glare.
That's
Why is it so dark?
It just erases it. Let me try to turn it off.
Yeah, and you want to try to turn off that light? Maybe that'll help. See if that helps. Yeah, kind of.
That's weird. Here, try to aim it on the side. Like, put it all the way on the side.
Like that?
Yeah.
Is that better? It's on your face though, huh?
I don't care.
Okay. All right.
See the camera.
Next. Okay, Eli.
It's directly into my eyes. I've looked at the sun 1,000,000 times.
That's not a good idea. I don't recommend that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also,
You keep going. You gotta
it's
catch
also
that.
doing backstroke from. Oh,
Eli's.
hardest. Just back.
Actually, you got the easy one. It starts with it has. Super easy.
Most of the time, it's just how
Okay.
I do it. Or I accidentally do it. 2 humps.
2 humps.
Oh! Okay, I did that. There's a period.
That's easy.
And back.
And back. That was easy.
I thought it was
He's
all
like,
of
oh
this.
great, I got the hard one. I'm like, no, you didn't. You got the really
I
easy
thought it was
one.
all of this though, like so.
Two, that's funny. Two humps back.
Sorry.
Easiest. Easiest for sure. I mean, you could even write the number 2, but he's thinking, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, you're gonna do the next one. It starts with also. So what are the keywords first, Quinn? I don't think we need also. Just keywords. There you go. Domesticated, found, deserts, maybe rocky, rocky deserts,
And
central,
yes.
central,
East Asia.
and then East Asia. Yeah, that's a lot, huh? I like that word mainly though, too, because that we could use that, right? For our LY.
We could just write that in our sentence. Though.
Yeah, maybe we could write it on the side or something.
Maybe we could do main state. East Asia. You know what?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because we don't really need, well, central and we could do E for east.
But how do I like Rocky?
I know, I like Rocky too. What are we gonna do?
Draw rocks. Oh yeah, just
Draw rocks?
we could do
Rocks
Arky.
on top.
Arky?
We could draw rocks and whatever.
Rocks and deserts? Okay. So could we draw rocks and then put the word desert? For Rocky?
Doesn't like
Draw rocks first? Okay, is that your plan? We're drawing rocks. I don't know how to draw rocks. They're just gonna be weird shaped things, right? I mean,
that's what I'm doing. I'm literally
rocks.
drawing.
And then desert is just like ground like that?
Okay.
Is that what desert is gonna look like?
Cactus.
Oh, it's
These rocks are
yeah.
pieces of puzzle.
A cactus.
I can see.
Sorry, that's a cactus.
How? Can't even see. Mine
You
looks
see
like
it
a
now?
hand. No.
It looks like a hand, but it's not.
No, mine's good. Mine looks worse. I just want to draw a flower.
Yeah, that doesn't look good.
I really just want to draw a flower.
There we go, flower. That would help it,
Yeah,
maybe.
flower. I can't see mine. I don't even know what it was.
Rocky desert. Okay, then what, Quinn?
I think that's doing this for y'all. Yeah, that is not wrong.
We still have 3 words to use.
We could put found like an arrow to chest. Found.
Well, we have 3 words still that we can use. I don't know if we need another symbol. We kind of skipped found. Well, should we put like Central, East, and Asia? Yeah, Central. Now, if you guys have a different way of doing this, I meant to tell you that at the beginning. You can do it how it makes sense to you, okay? It doesn't have to match ours. Like if you wanted to do an abbreviation for East, instead of drawing the little desert, you can do that. Everybody can do their own. All right. And then one more. Jason, the next sentence. What are we going to do with that one? What are the keywords first?
See. Which one?
Starts with the third.
The third species is the wild Bactrian camel.
All right. What are the keywords?
Third species.
Yes.
Bactrian.
Yes.
Then circled C.
And then camel. Yep. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Third species. Oh, we need wild.
We do.
because it's different than the Bactrian. It's a wild Bactrian. And so we need to have wild. But could we do a symbol for third?
Number 3.
3 and then RD. You know that one? Third, 3 RD. That'll work. And then species. Some people say species. It's either way, species or species, either way. Yep, exactly. Wild.
I asked
And
my
then-
mom how to spell that, and she said P something different. I was like,
CH.
yes.
Yeah. So we got third, species, wild, Bactrian, C. All right, I'm gonna have you guys, let's see. Time, let's see.
It's like read mine.
Let's skip down to the next paragraph, just so I make sure you put it on the right line, okay? Because Roman numeral 2 right here on your outline is for the first sentence of the second paragraph, okay? So the second paragraph starts with humans have used camels for millennia. That one's pretty easy. We got humans used camels millennia. That's pretty easy.
What just happened? What just happened?
We jumped down to the second paragraph because I want to make sure you put that on the right line. So I skipped 8 and 9 for a second. Does that make sense? You got it? So we're going to use humans, used, and then C for camels, and then millennia. How many years is millennia? Do you guys remember what I said about that?
100 or
Thousands, actually. Yeah.
oh, you went-
Thousands,
you went those things?
plural.
Wait,
Thousands.
What?
Whoa. Sorry. Down here at the second paragraph where it starts with humans, I skipped a couple sentences. It's okay. We're just skipping those. I underlined humans, used camels, and millennia. And on your outline, you can put next to Roman numeral 2, okay? Make sure he's next to the Roman numeral 2. Humans, we're going to use that word. Used, C, and then millennia. I wanted to make sure to get that on there so that you can see, oops, millennia has 2 N's. I spelled it wrong. E-N.
Oh, now you made me spell it wrong.
Sorry.
I used
Millennia.
to write my letters in 2 lines. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, now that looks like millennium.
Millennium.
Millenniums?
Okay.
Same thing. What's your screen up there?
Oh, it's they live here. It's just the kids playing. Okay, here's your listen, you guys. Here's what your homework is. You're gonna finish 8 and 9. Don't forget 8 and 9 up here.
You the best.
And then you're gonna finish the rest. You got this. You guys are good at this now.
No, no.
Remember the rules. Hold on, don't back up yet. Hold on. How many words can
Hey,
you use?
3.
Good. And then what are the 3
Symbols.
things? Symbols,
Abbreviations.
abbreviations,
Picture.
numbers. Don't forget that. Okay, but you can abbreviate things if you need to, or little pictures. You're gonna finish each sentence, guys. Each sentence goes on here. Yes, question?
When we're done with this little thingy bob, do we have to get another line paper and then?
Another line paper, and then you're gonna write your paragraphs. But guess what, you guys? Hold on, don't pack up yet. Everybody stop, stop, freeze.
T.
On your checklist, you guys know what the checklist is, right? You guys know what the checklist
Yes.
is? You can relax, just relax. You can unfreeze, but don't pack up, okay? Let's look at your checklist really quick. There's something new on here. Did you see the ly adverb? You guys know about that? This one is the who which clause. I'm going to teach you that next week. So don't worry about the who which clause unless you want to try putting one in there. Okay. But notice you have paragraph 1. See that little symbol is the paragraph symbol. Paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Listen. So you're going to put an ly adverb in the first paragraph and the second paragraph.
Oh, so that's it? That's
One
it?
ly. And if you want to try the who which clause by yourself, you can, but we're going to talk about that next week. Does that make sense? But you're writing 2 paragraphs. Make sure you indent for your second paragraph, 2 separate paragraphs. You got this. You can do it. I believe in you.
You did painfully.
You're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
I promise. All right. You guys are good to go. You can pack up now. Yes. Any questions about the homework before you go? Yes.
Is that it for this week?
Yes. And the grammar. You always have grammar. But the grammar's pretty easy, isn't it? It's quick.
11.
You can do it. You know, here's a trick for the grammar. Make sure you read it out loud first. That'll help you with it. And then your parents can help you if you get stuck on any words or anything. They can help you with that. You guys are gonna survive, I promise. No.
Is she 7 or
All right, you guys.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Oh, look! You think it is so pretty?